Hello, I'm Dustin Harris, Senior System Engineer for Kaminario. Virtual Desktop Infrastructure, or VDI, offers many benefits for the administration of desktops, but it also brings storage performance and scalability challenges. This video will show how Kaminario's 5th generation K2 all-flash array with dedupe and compression gives you the performance and scalability you need to grow with your deployments at the most affordable price point in the industry. For this test, we're using a 2K block Kaminario K2 array. We have a volume group of 10 volumes for the data stores holding the virtual desktops. The volume group is configured to use K2's deduplication capabilities. We're using a 16-server ESX cluster running ESX and vCenter version 5.5 and VMware Horizon View version 5.3. The hosts are connected to the K2 via an 8 gigabit fiber channel SAN. The K2 can be easily managed using either the K2 GUI or the K2 vCenter plugin. The K2 implements a global inline deduplication mechanism that enables you to deploy thousands of desktops with high efficiency. Combined with full VAAI support, you can reach a very high density of virtual desktops on a single storage array. Now we're going to demonstrate the provisioning of a large pool of link clones. We are in the process of provisioning 1,000 link clones. The entire process takes about an hour to complete, maintaining high levels of IOPS and throughput with consistent low latency. After concluding the creation of the link clones, we see that we're only using about 2 terabytes of physical space at a data reduction ratio of over 9:1. A common problem for VDI implementations are boot storms, which is when thousands of users start their workday and boot their desktops at the same time, forcing users to wait a long time for their desktops to be available. As we will see with the K2, such problems are a thing of the past. First, we will see how the K2 allows 100 desktops to be booted in about 25 seconds. Now we will see a boot process that includes an additional 1,500 desktops. The K2 reaches high IOPS and throughput with low latency, concluding the entire process in about 8 minutes. When moving users to virtual desktops, it's important to make sure that the user experience doesn't degrade and that it actually improves. With the K2's consistent latency and support for multiple workloads, users will see excellent application response times, leading to a superior user experience. To demonstrate how well the K2 supports the workload of many users, we use the VMware ViewPlanner VDI Benchmark tool version 3. ViewPlanner uses real applications such as Microsoft Office and Internet Explorer to simulate the real-world activity of VDI users. We can now see a workload of 1,250 desktop users running at the same time. The ViewPlanner test is about 4 hours long and reports in detail the response time of the various operations. For this test, we get an average response time that's well below the 1-second limit of the ViewPlanner benchmark. Running with 1,250 virtual desktops, we saturate the ESX cluster memory and CPUs, but are far from saturating the K2, demonstrating that we could easily scale this environment to thousands of desktops. Combining the high density of virtual desktops and the ability to deliver an exceptional user experience leads to extremely efficient, cost-effective deployments with a cost as low as $20 per desktop. We've shown how the K2 can stand up to very demanding VDI applications, provide consistent latency, and reduce your storage costs with data reduction technologies. End users will get a crisp, responsive desktop, and management is very simple. All this adds up to successful VDI deployments with the most affordable VDI storage solution. For more details and results, please download our VDI test results white paper at kaminario.com.